everyone! Today we are looking at Made to Move Ken in a wheelchair. Here is a closer look of Ken's wheelchair. It is green, silver, and black. It has two locks for the wheels. It has a foot stand that can be moved. And it says Ken. It has a hook to keep him in the chair, and on the back of the chair it says Ken. He comes with a blue ramp that says Ken. He comes with silver sunglasses. Ken has blue eyes and blonde hair. He comes with a tie-dye sleeveless shirt that is yellow and blue and denim shorts. The shirt and shorts both Velcro in the back. He comes with white high-top sneakers. Ken is a Made to Move Ken. He can move at the head, the shoulder, upper arm, elbow, wrist, upper torso, hip, upper thigh, knee, and ankle. Some of my favorite things about this doll is that he is a Made to Move Ken. His ramp, he hooks into his chair so he doesn't fall out, and the brakes for the chair, and the back of the chair says Ken.